Ford and Mecum settle Ford GT auction lawsuit out of court. Last year, John Cena selling his Ford GT and the subsequent lawsuit became dominant news about the supercar, but it wasn't the only GT exchange to become litigious. Mecum Auctions consigned a 2017 Ford GT, number 48 of the production run, for its May auction in Indianapolis, and according to Fox News, Ford first tried to institute a restraining order on the sale, but the local court ruled in favor of Mecum. The car sold for $1.8 million, and Ford sued. The same car even went for auction again at Mecum's Monterey auction that year, but didn't sell, even with the high bid of $1.6 million. After all this, the lawsuit between the two companies has been settled out of court. Ford announced the settlement that notes an undisclosed amount of money coming from Mecum Auctions. That money will be donated to the Ford Motor Company Fund, which provides money to various community organizations with a focus on education, safety, and community services. In addition, Mecum Auctions agreed to not consign any Ford GTs from original owners that are still under the 2-year restriction on resale. The company will also contact Ford for permission before offering Ford GTs from non-original owners that have cars still within the 2-year restriction. Both companies also ask original owners to abide by the 2-year sale policy. With this lawsuit settled, we realized that the Cena Ford GT alone was sold a few times in the span of a year, and we were curious if there are any other suits pending. A Ford representative confirmed that there are some additional lawsuits, and the company is confident we can enforce the ownership agreements. As the lawsuits are current, he couldn't give us any further information. We also reached out to Mecum Auctions for a statement, but did not receive one by the time we published.